The watches that are shown in this video and or any watch that I review on this channel are not counterfeit. I do not and will not ever knowingly review any counterfeit watches on my channel. YouTube policy defines counterfeit items as follows. Counterfeit goods contain a trademark or logo that is identical to or substantially indistinguishable from the trademark of another. And YouTube also defines further that they mimic the brand features of the product in an attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. None of the items I review on this channel meet either one of these requirements. I do not review items that are identical in any way to any brand or that attempt to pass themselves off as a genuine product of the brand owner. These items are all purchased legally and are publicly available to anyone to purchase themselves. To the best of my knowledge, all of the watches that I review are made by companies that have done their research to make sure that the items they sell are legal. I do not produce these items, I only review them. Once again, the watches you see in this video and any watch you see on this channel reviewed by me is not and are not counterfeit items as defined by YouTube policy.
Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. It is Monday morning here in sunny Florida, and it is a beautiful day. I hope you guys are all having a great day too. Just before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all my current subscribers. I'm almost at 100. So if you want to be my 100th subscriber, just click that subscribe button now. And also I appreciate all the thumbs up. I appreciate all the likes, comments, and definitely subscribers. Like I said before, I'm growing this channel from the ground up and it's doing great. Thank you to you guys liking my content. I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, that being said, I do have a... It is a one-of-a-kind. You will not find this anywhere. I cannot post an affiliate link to this watch because there's only one in the world right now. And you'd be surprised at the cost of it. So anyway, before we get started, once again, if you like this content, you want it to keep on coming, give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and you'll get to see more watches because I constantly buy watches and I review them. And I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So without further ado, let's get started here. Today, what I have here is I had done a comparison video on a couple of homage watches, and that comparison included this Pin Time, which is an excellent watch for the money, and I will be posting a link to this in the description below so you guys can check this out and pick one up if you want. It is a really, really nice watch for the money. Design, beautiful watch. And there's my buddy Schroed. Buddy, you can't come over here and knock down all the watches, buddy. Say hi and then say bye. Say hi and bye. You can't play with the watches, bud. Come on, let's go. Let's go. It's my buddy Schrody, constantly messing things up. Okay, so, as I was saying, this watch, I bought these two watches. This is a great watch for the price. It's Pin Time. I will post a link to it in the description below so you guys can pick this one up if you want it. It is an affiliate link, so it does send $1 or $2 over to the channel. If you decide to buy one, I definitely appreciate you clicking on that affiliate link. So anyway, I had purchased both of these watches to do a comparison to see what the difference was between the two. And the band that came on this watch was originally black, and what I had determined from the videos or from purchasing both is that I liked them both. I really liked them both in their own on their own, but they were so similar because that was the idea behind buying both of them, was that I wanted to buy two of the V8 designs and see how they were in comparison. But I didn't, you know, I liked them both, but they looked so similar because they both had the black straps. So, I don't know if you guys saw my other video with the mini focus watch that I had received that was broken, and I tried to repair it, and the hands fell off, and it turned into a nightmare. And you'll want to check on that video if you want to see that. But anyhow, I was not able to get the hands back on the watch. It was just a nightmare. But anyhow, I was basically stuck with this band. So what I did is I modified the band, and I actually installed it on this Pin Time, or on this watch. Now, Also, I should mention that I purchased this watch additionally, and I had an unfavorable review on it because I did not like the band that came with it. The band that came with it was a hard plastic orange band that just did the watch zero justice. It made this watch look like a toy. I also have a review on this watch, so if you want to check that out, head on over, check out that video, and then you can see what I'm talking about with this watch. It had this band originally on it, and as you can see, just by holding it up to it, it kind of almost, you can kind of understand what I was saying. It kind of makes it look toyish, but it is a good quality case and a good quality mechanism, so it was a shame. And so basically, what I did with this is I took the black band off of this watch, I modified the blue band to fit this watch, and I put the black band on this watch that came originally on this one. So I think this watch looks 100% better with the black band, and I think this one looks just amazing with this blue band, this blue silicone band. And the reason why I thought it would look so great is because I don't know if you can see this, but you can see kind of like a blue tint to the screen or the crystal on this. And that right there tied in with the blue silicone band perfectly. So I think it looks great all together. Now, like I said before, you can't buy one of these. This is completely original. The only way you could get this is to buy a Mini Focus Sports Chronograph. Take this watch. Now I had to do quite a bit of modification on this band to get it to fit too. I had to file it down. It took about an hour and a half to get the band on there. So it was quite a chore. So it's not something that you can just snap off and then snap on. So basically this is an original watch. There's none other like it in the world. It's completely original. The original price on this watch was somewhere under $20, somewhere in the neighborhood of $20. The Mini Focus watch, or no, I'm sorry, the Pin Time watch, however, is a much better quality watch. This is a great quality watch. They're both great quality watch, but to me, I think that this one, it has a lot more features for the price, and you can get this somewhere in the neighborhood of $29. Like I said, I will be posting a link to this in the description below so you guys can check it out. But I did modified two of these watches, so now I have a pretty decent homage collection here. As far as with the four that I have, I think they look great. I've got this one with the black band instead of the horrible orange band that it came with. I've got this one with the blue band, which has the V8 style face. This one also has a V8 style face, but it's got the black band and the red dial, which I think that's really nice. So that's another point for the Pin Time. So you're having that red dial, and also this is a Mini Focus. I'll actually post a link to this. I'll post a link to all these watches in the description below. So if you guys want to check them out, you can head on over and pick whichever one you like up. But once again, all of these watches, they're less than 30 bucks. All of these are less than $30 a piece. So you're looking at 3, 6, 9, 12. We're looking at $120 worth of watches right here. And I don't know if you know anything about the watches and even some of the more expensive homage watches, but is in the millions. At least 200,000 to $1 million. But they also sell homage watches that are much better quality with better mechanisms, but you're going to pay somewhere in the neighborhood of $300 to $800 for an homage watch. And you know, to me, like I said, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. So you're not going to see any of those $1 million watches on my channel. You will see homage watches. Now, keep in mind and make sure you guys keep yourself educated. These are not clones or fakes. They are made by a different company, so they're not purporting to be original. They're using the stylistic designs of the rich brand, which is perfectly legal and perfectly acceptable in every industry. They do it. If you do like homage watches, you don't want to spend $1 million on a watch, but you want to look like you did, then these are the watches you're going to want to look at. And you're going to want to check out my channel, because I sift through the junk. I sift through all the garbage, the watches that are not worth the price, because there are a lot of low quality homage watches. I look through the better of the watches and I buy them. I make the mistakes on the cheap watches so you don't have to. So if you like that idea, stay tuned to my channel, like and subscribe, and you'll get to see my buddy Shrody trying to destroy all my watches. And I'm constantly coming out with new watch videos. I've got more watches coming in today. I've got more watches coming in this week. If you like this content and you want it to keep on coming, make sure you do give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I will keep coming at you with more watch review videos. You guys have a great day.